Quick Electronics 101, how to read a resistor. To begin with, we need to know what a resistor is. There are a lot of different kinds of resistors, and the most common one is this carbon film resistor. A resistor is one of the simplest components in electronics. As the term implies, it limits or regulates the flow of electrical current in an electronic circuit. Can you guess what the units of resistance are called? Ohms. Yup, I wasn't joking. It was literally called ohms. A resistor is very important to have in a circuit. Why? Why in the world do we really need resistance? Well, as a demonstration, we have here a 12-volt supply and an LED with a 3.4 volts forward voltage and a forward current of 10 milliamps. As you can see here, if we directly connect this LED to a 12-volt supply, the LED will burn out. The 12-volt supply is giving a ton of current to the LED, and the LED can't handle it. As we can see earlier, it causes the LED to get destroyed or not be usable anymore. To fix this problem, we are going to use a resistor. It will resist some of the current. In that way, we don't overload the LED. Now, how are we going to know the right value of resistor to put in that LED? In this case, the right value of resistor can be calculated using Ohm's law. R is equals to V battery minus V LED over I LED. V battery stands for the voltage of the power supply, which in our case is a 12-volt supply. V LED stands for the forward voltage of the LED, which in our case is 3.4 volts according to the datasheet of the LED. And I LED stands for the current required of the LED, which in our case is 10 milliamp according to the datasheet of the LED. So the right value of the resistor is 860 ohms. Since the closest value of resistor to 860 ohms that I have right now is 1 kilo ohms, this will do. Now, how to read a resistor? How can we say that we are putting a 1 kilo ohm resistor to an LED? What you're seeing right now is a 4-band resistor color chart. We're going to start from the first band, which is brown, which equals to 1. The next one is black, which equals to 0. Combining the first and second band, we now have 10. Now, the color red represents a multiplier of 10 raised to 2, which equal to 100. 10 times 100 is equal to 1000, or 1 kilo ohms with a tolerance of positive negative 5%. Congratulations! You now know how to read a resistor. Going back to the LED circuit, in this LED, we're going to add a 1 kilo ohm resistor, and that resistor will help resist some of the current. In that way, the LED can actually work without being destroyed. If you have no electronic components yet, you can visit Tinkercad.com and try to experiment with the resistor there. And as always, keep learning and have fun. Bye!